Slightly pre-good Good morning to everyone. I'm Harika from 8th grade and I'm Nidhi from 8th district. Welcome to Beaches Public School News. Let's have a look on headlines. Celebration of New Year. Conducting social workshop. Celebration of Swami Vivekananda Jayanti and Makara Sankranti festival. Celebration of Pujya Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji's Jayantotsava. Celebration of festival due to Rama Mandir opening. Celebration of 75th Republic Day. Conducted parents meeting. Celebration of New Year.
May the new year bring you closer to your goals and aspirations. Wishing you success and joy in abundance. Happy New Year. New Year was celebrated in our school on January 1st, 2024. Our Honorable Principal, Mr. Mahadev Sir, LPS, HPS, HS and college coordinators, including all the teachers and students involved in this program. And our Principal, Mr. Mahadev Sir, spoke few words regarding to this program. Our school 10th standard students participated in the Pratibhanveshane program organized by Agalgurki School at Chikkaballapur. In that program, few children won the prizes. So our principal, Mr. Mahadev Sir, distributed prizes to the winners.
Conducting social workshop.
Education is one thing no one can take away from you. Organized social workshop on 10 January 2024 at BGS Public School. Shidlaghatta Taluk social teachers attended this program. Our Honorable BEO Officer Mr. Narendra Kumar addressed the gatherings and given information of SSLC question paper pattern and how to preparing students were given by resource person Bhaskar sir.
Celebration of Swami Vivekananda Jayanti and Makara Sankranti festival.
Everything is easy when you're busy, but nothing is easy when you're lazy. Swami Vivekananda Jayanti was celebrated on 12th 1st, 2024. Our Honorable Mr. Mahadev Sir, all the teachers and students participated in this program. Principal Sir offered the flowers to Swami Vivekananda and Swamiji's photo. Few students spoke few words about this program.
Makara Sankranti was celebrated with the great joy in our school on 12/1/2024. Shidlaghatta Zone Forest Official Mr. Naveen Sir and PLD Bank President Mr. Ramchandra Sir and our school administrative CAO of BGS Groups of Institution Dr. N. Shivaram Reddy Sir participated in this program as a chief guest, and our Honorable Principal Sir also participated in this program. The teachers, students involving in this program. Our Principal Sir honored the guest on this occasion. After this, all the guests and the Principal Sir offered the flowers to Swamiji's photo. The guests who came for this program, they blessed the children by placing the sesame seeds and jaggery on their head. The guests and CAO Sir spoke few words regarding this program. The guests and CAO Sir and the Principal Sir did puja to the grain bales, agriculture implements and the bullocks. One of the high school students dressed up as Dasaya and sang a song. HPS and HS students gave dance performance about Sankranti festival. At last, all the teachers and the students were set on a fire and the bullocks were made to jump over the fire. This moment, the children were jumping with the joy and excitement.
Celebration of Pujya Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji's Jayantotsava. Only when we refuse to succumb to unhappiness can we experience happiness. Celebration birth anniversary of Parama Pujya Jagadguru Dr. Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji's Jayantotsava on 18 January 2024 at BGS Public School. Our LPS, HPS, HS and college coordinators were participated in this program and also conducted bhajana. Our students sang the song
song, at last our HS coordinator spoke about our Swamiji.
Celebration of festival due to Rama Mandir opening.
Jai Shri Ram. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Ramanamavaranami. Ramotsava program was celebrated in our school on the occasion of Ayodhya Rama Mandir inauguration on 22nd 1st 2024. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir and all the wing coordinators, teachers and students are involved in this program. Our Honorable Principal and coordinators offered the flowers to Swamis and Sri Rama and Sita photos. Few children of LPS attended the program dressed up as Rama, Sita and Hanuman. Some children spoke few words about this program and our school music sir performed the bhajana and our principal sir spoke few words regarding this program.
Celebration of 75th Republic Day.
May our nation continue to shine with the light of democracy, unity and progress. Celebration of 75th Republic Day on 26 January 2024 at PGS Public School. The Chief Guest Mr. Papa Reddy, President of Lawyer Association and Mr. Nayana Swami, President of Okkalika Sangha have participated in this program. Our Honorable Chief Guest hoisted the flag. Then our physical education teacher introduced the groups to guests and our student groups honored and salute our national flag, freedom fighters and dignitaries by mass past. Our Chief Guest Mr. Papa Reddy spoke importance of Republic Day and Mr. Nayana Swami sir shared his opinion about this program. At last, our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev sir spoke few words regarding this program. After conducted cultural programs such as patriotic songs and dances were performed by our school students.
Conducted parents meeting.
Parents are the first teachers shaping minds and hearts with love and wisdom. Conducted parents meeting on 29 January 2024 at BGS Public School. All the parents attended this meeting and our Honorable Principal Sir to give keynotes of this program. And Dr. N. Shivaram Reddy, CAO of Adisinchanagiri Education Trust, addressed the parents how to understand children and their behavior between 13 to 18 years old and gave precious awareness to parents. At last, Principal Sir concluded the program.